Well, the heat just continues to go on across the 4 states with temperatures over 100 degrees yet again in many locations. This morning it was pretty warm already at 80 degrees. So let's take a look outside at Indigo Sky Casino and Resort. As we go through the afternoon, you can see bright blue skies and a few thin cirrus clouds coming in and also some cumulus developing this afternoon. That was because we had just enough moisture moving up from the south from Harold to give us a little bit of a break today, but we still made it up to 99 after starting out at 80, which of course was way above the normals of 90 and 67, but at least we weren't near that record of 103. And of course, we're way behind on the rainfall. Speaking of rainfall, there is something on radar. Our radar actually works, believe it or not. We're picking up some storms up to the north of Wichita, between Wichita and Salina. Also a little bit of a shower there west of Elk County, but that is about it. And we are still baking under this heat. Zooming in on that storm, it was severe earlier, but now that warning has been dropped. Right around Mound, there is where the biggest storm is in our region. But we're going to have to wait a little bit longer before we start to see some more decent moisture in here. We're under excessive heat warning. They've now extended it till 10 o'clock on Friday, and also it extends into Oklahoma and Arkansas tomorrow evening at 8 p.m., but that will be reissued again for tomorrow. Temperatures right now, they're still pretty toasty. 98 in Chanute, 100 in Neodesha, 98 in Yates Center. A little bit cooler over in Cassville and Monette, where they're currently sitting at only 91 degrees. But look at the dew points. They're in the mid 70s still, and this is what's causing it to feel so uncomfortable out there. And dew points are still in the 80s in Oklahoma. And so that's way soupy on our dew point tracker, and that's also adding to the feels like temperature. Look at this, 119 in Grove right now is what it feels like. 118 in Veneta, just blistering hot out there. And tomorrow, the heat index is going to be up there once again, generally 110 plus, especially in Oklahoma with those higher dew points. Starting to see a little bit lower up to the north and west, but as we go into Friday and Thursday, we're going to see again temperatures feeling like well over 110 in many locations. And then on Friday, finally starting to see some relief for a large part of the area, but still feeling like over 110 down in Oklahoma. Rain chances, they're just not there. Pretty much close to zero for the next 36 hours. But notice, this is Harold. This is what's left of Harold. And watch what happens. As Harold moves to the west, he kind of goes around and up and over this ridge of high pressure. And so finally, by Saturday, we'll start to see some moisture and also some cooler air moving into our area. So we do have some hope on the horizon. But tonight, lows in the mid 70s. Tomorrow, temperatures near or at 100 degrees or above. And then as we go into Thursday morning, again, lows in the mid 70s, and then highs again on Thursday afternoon, close to 100 degrees, maybe 103 in Parsons and Fredonia. So a toasty one yet again. And then Friday, lows in the 70s. And then over the next 7 days, we finally have a break in this heat wave arriving on Saturday. And then look at that, Sunday 88 with a chance of showers and storms, and cooler still for Monday, a high of only 85 on Monday, Dow.
Looking forward to that. And it's interesting that Harold might bring some precipitation to the area, and if so, it's by such a roundabout
He's
track.
taking the scenic route.
I guess so.
Yeah.